Hi, I'm Tom, and we are here at North Star Farm Fall Festival, or Fall, what is it?
Fall Fest.
Fall Fest. We're going to be doing hayrides, maybe shoot a water cannon, there's animals and stuff like that. And enjoy the show. So we're at one of the fall festivals, and this place has something unique that none of the others has. It has an air cannon. So we bought a bunch of shells for it. And we're going to be shooting targets and whatever else, right?
Yep.
Cool. So here's the artillery bunker. Look at the air cannon, cases of ammo, and field of targets. Alrighty, fire in the hole. Oh, right through it. Bam! Get it. I got it on the bounce.
You ready?
Fire in the hole. Ooh, bam! Water in the hole. Fire in the hole. Ooh, bam! Cool. Awesome, dude. Thank you so much. Alrighty. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, let's sit back here. Is that the one you want? Really? So that was our little trip, our little Fun trip for a fall fest. Wind up getting pretty hot, and we are toasty and probably sunburned too. So we had fun shooting the water cannon, right? That's always awesome. We go there every year for it. And took a little ride out to the pumpkin patch. So hopefully have a good Halloween. Tune in, thumbs up, like, comments, right? Blah, 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 all the good stuff. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe by hitting the Krusty the Clown. That's for the world is seen by Tom. If you want to see other adventures of Tom and Haley, there's a link also on this board, and the channel has other projects we've done in the past and new adventures coming up, especially road trips, which is one of our favorites. Thank you.